Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my official YouTube channel English by Preeti Bhardwaj. Here you will find the study material of subject English for classes 6th to 10th CBSE board. So at the end, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Today we are going to study the poem The Rebel. This poem is written by DJ Enright. Now before going forward, let us discuss the meaning of the word rebel. Rebel is a person who always thinks and does things opposite to others. यानी rebel कोई भी वो इंसान होता है जो हमेशा दूसरों से अलग सोचता है और अलग काम करता है. For example, now you might be having some students in your class who always do things opposite to others. For an instance, when everybody wants to go outside and play in the ground, there is a student who wants to sit in the classroom. यानी जब आप क्लास के सब बच्चे बाहर जाकर ग्राउंड में खेलना चाहते हैं तो कोई एक बच्चा, आपका कोई एक फ्रेंड ऐसा है जो क्लास में बैठना चाहता है. सो दैट स्टूडेंट इज अ रिबेल. वो बच्चा, वो फ्रेंड एक रिबेल है क्योंकि वो सबसे अलग सोच रहा है, सबसे अलग काम कर रहा है. Now let us have a look at the poem. It goes like, when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. It means that when everybody is having short hair, the rebel is keeping his hair long. And when everybody is having long hair, he cuts his hair short. यानी जब हर किसी के छोटे बाल हैं तो रिबेल अपने बालों को बढ़ा लेता है, लंबा कर लेता है. और जब हर किसी के लंबे बाल हैं तो रिबेल अपने बालों को छोटा कर लेता है, यानी कट करवा लेता है. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, rebel creates a disturbance. यानी जब क्लास में हर कोई बात कर रहा है तो रिबेल बिल्कुल चुपचाप बैठा है, और जब सब चुप बैठे हैं, क्लास में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, तो रिबेल डिस्टर्बेंस कर रहा है. Means when everybody is busy in talking, the rebel is keeping quiet, he is not saying anything. And when nobody is talking during the lesson, it means when everybody is concentrating on the studies, at that time the rebel is creating disturbance, he is creating noise in the class. Now further the poet is saying, when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. It means that when everybody is wearing the uniform, the rebel is not ready to wear the uniform. Instead, he is wearing fantastic clothes. Here fantastic clothes means fancy clothes which we usually wear when we go for a party or for an outing. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. And when everybody is wearing the fancy clothes, the rebel is wearing sober clothes. Soberly means in a sober manner. Sober means simple clothes. यानी जब हर बच्चा यूनिफॉर्म पहने हुआ है उस समय रिबेल ने पार्टी वाले कपड़े पहने हैं, और जब हर किसी ने फैंसी यानी पार्टी वाले कपड़े पहने हैं तो रिबेल बहुत ही सिंपल कपड़े पहन कर आया है. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for cats. It means that when he is surrounded by all those people who are talking good about the dogs, when they all are dog lovers, the rebel is saying that he prefers cats over dogs. Yani he loves cats more as compared to the dogs. And in the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dog. It means when he is in a company of cat lovers, when everybody is praising the cats, he is saying good word for dogs instead of cats. It means जब उसके आसपास सब वो इंसान होते हैं जो डॉग से बहुत प्यार करते हैं तो वो कहता है कि उसे कैट ज़्यादा पसंद है, और जब उसके दोस्त, उसका ग्रुप कहता है कि उन सबको कैट पसंद है तो वो कहता है कि उसे डॉग ज़्यादा पसंद है. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. It means that when everybody is happy to see the sun, when everybody is enjoying the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. He is saying that he would like to enjoy in the rain instead of the sun. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. It means that when everybody is enjoying in the rain, the rebel is regretting, feeling bad for not being under the sun. यानी जब हर कोई सन में रहकर खुश है, धूप में रहकर खुश है, तो रिबेल कहता है कि उसे बारिश में रहना है, उसे बारिश ज़्यादा पसंद है, बारिश की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. और जब हर कोई बारिश में एंजॉय कर रहा है तो रिबेल को लगता है कि उसे सन ज़्यादा पसंद है. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. And when everybody is going outside to attend a meeting, the rebel is staying at home and reading his own book in his own company instead of going outside in a meeting. And when everybody is at home, reading a book, doing their work, enjoying their own company, the rebel wants to go outside in a meeting. यानी जब हर कोई बाहर मीटिंग में जा रहा है तो रिबेल उस समय घर पे रहना चाहता है और अपनी बुक पढ़ना चाहता है. और जब हर कोई घर पर है और अपनी बुक पढ़ रहा है तो रिबेल उस समय बाहर मीटिंग में जाना चाहता है. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It means that when everybody is agreeing to something, the rebel is denying to do that work. And when nobody is interested in that work, then rebel is ready to do that work. यानी जब हर कोई किसी काम को करना चाहता है, किसी चीज़ के लिए हाँ बोलना चाहता है, तो रिबेल उस काम के लिए नो बोल रहा है. और जब हर कोई मना कर रहा है, जब कोई भी उस चीज़ को नहीं करना चाहता है, तो रिबेल उस समय उसके लिए हाँ बोल रहा है. ही इज सेइंग येस प्लीज. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Now these last lines of the poem are very important. Here the poet is saying that it is very good that we have rebels. Now why is it good that we have rebels? Because rebels always think different. They think out of the box, which let us know about new things and which leads to new discoveries and inventions. But at the last the poet is also saying that, but you may not find it very good to be one. And why will we not find it good to be one? Because if we will be a rebel, then we will have to face the opposition, the criticism from the society. No one will ever like us. यानी पोएट कहता है कि बहुत अच्छा है कि हमारे आसपास रिबेल्स हैं, क्योंकि वो अलग सोचते हैं, जिसकी वजह से न्यू इन्वेंशंस और डिस्कवरीज होती हैं. लेकिन अगर हम खुद एक रिबेल हैं तो वो हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. और वो अच्छा क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि अगर हम सबसे अलग सोचेंगे तो कोई हमें पसंद नहीं करेगा, लोग हमें क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे, हमेशा हमें ओपोज करेंगे. नो वन विल एवर लाइक अस. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द पोएम. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, dear students.